If you ask me, what is Greensee's core competitiveness? That is the intelligent factory behind me. When Greensee production based in my town in 2009, we already doing the automation, window and door manufacturing at that time. It's a very low-end environment. Even most doors and windows are produced in some small workshops and some basements. And then we brought in a pharmaceutical supplier come in and design an assembly production line that we want. The assembly line behind me is Greensee 1.0 version. Its length 25 meters, width 2 meters, mainly used as a production line for making sash. We made a directional switch at each process. After completing the process, it transfers material to the next process. It saved time and improved production efficiency. This version 1.0 is seen today is not very advanced and intelligent, but before 15 years, it was very productive for us. It made a great contribution to our overall production efficiency. Because of our previous attempts, we had laid a very solid foundation. That's why today we have Greensee Intelligent Manufacturing Line